Hi kids, so in this video we are going to learn how to counting objects. Okay, it's oral counting from 1 to 3. For a start, we are going to start counting numbers from 1 to 3 orally. Then after, we are going to move forward. Okay, when we talk about counting objects, sometimes we have a lot of objects, and when we are counting these objects, because we are reciting the numbers, we just say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And okay, we know how to recite the numbers, but we actually know how to count, placing our hands on the number of objects. So that's what we are going to be learning today. Okay, let's look at counting. So when counting, we look at the quantities, we look at the number of objects you have right in front of you. Okay, now if you look in this board, you will see I have some little insects. Do you love the insects? I have the fly, I have the beetle, I have the grasshopper, I have the butterfly, I have the spider, I have the caterpillar. I have a lot and lots of insects of different colors. Okay, now I'm going to place some insects on the table. Let's put the grasshopper, the caterpillar, the spider. So I have the grasshopper, caterpillar, spider. What do I have? Grasshopper, caterpillar, spider. Very good. So we are going to learn how to get the individual objects, to count the individual object to get the overall amount. Now when counting, we don't say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. No, we don't do that. When you count, you place your finger on the object. When you say the number, before you can put your finger on the next object and say the number. Now, we do like this. 1, until your finger moves to the next object before you say the next number. 2, move your finger to the next object and you say the next number. 3. We don't do this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. No, we don't do that. Make sure your finger is on the object before you call the number. Move your finger to the next object, call the number. Move your fingers to the next object and call the number. So that's how we are going to learn how to count. You can use different objects when counting. You can use Legos, you can use blocks, you can use pencils, you can use whatever objects you have around you to count. But I decided to use these colorful insects. Okay, now can we put our fingers on the objects and count together? Now let's go. 1 2 3. So today we are going to learn how to count orally from 1 to 3. 1 2 3. Very good. So you have to practice counting different objects every day from 1 to 3. Can we clap? 3. 1 2 3. Can you jump 3 times? 1 2 3. Can you turn around 3 times? 1 2 3. Very good. So make sure you count from 1 to 3 every day using different objects or doing different activities. Thank you.